Guys, welcome to Casa 5! So itong smart doorbell na to, hindi lang siya basta doorbell. Meron siyang built-in camera and built-in speaker. So naisip namin, parang mas maganda yung meron ka ng smart door lock. It's so easy to use. You just have to register your household para magkaroon sila ng access either via fingerprint, via Face ID, or you can give them a code. So maraming ways to access the door. And yun, ganun lang siya kadali. Hi guys! Welcome to Casa 5! So, ito na yan guys. This is our new home. Na-post ko na to before, pero snippet lang kasi yung nilagay kong clips. Pero this time, dahil may mga nag-request na gusto nyo ng house tour, so sige, pagbigyan natin. Pero, gagawin natin siya batch by batch. So, this is part 1 of Casa 5 house tour. So, unahin natin yung nasa labas. Actually, nung lumipat kami dito, okay na siyang bahay. As in, wala na kaming ibang hihilingin pa. Pero, meron lang kaming mga konting add-ons na idinagdag. Katulad na lang nitong smart doorbell from Moment Innovation. So, itong smart doorbell na to, hindi lang siya basta doorbell. Meron siyang built-in camera and built-in speaker. At syempre, yung conventional na pagpapatunog niya. So, pag pinindot mo siya, tutunog na naman siya. Pero this time, meron na siyang camera. So, yung camera, pwede mong makita gamit yung phone mo kung sino yung nasa labas ng bahay mo. At the same time, pwede mo din silang kausapin. O, diba? I think that's something na we really need right now, especially palagi tayo nagpapadeliver, like may mga rider na pumupunta and sometimes hindi nila tayo makontak sa phone natin or minsan walang signal. So ito, diretso na maririnig nila kayo from this smart doorbell. So, yan. Pasok na tayo. So, ito yung parang front porch nung house namin. And then, we have a garage. So, importante yan sa akin kasi before yung bahay namin, sa gilid lang nakapark yung mga motor, tas yung iba, nasa kalsada na. So, naiinitan talaga siya. So, next time na yung mga motor na yan. So, another thing we had installed here in the house is the smart door lock. So, dati, itong pintuan na to, meron na siyang conventional door lock. So, naisip namin, parang mas maganda yung meron ka ng smart door lock. Aside from, ang lakas niya makasosyal. Pero maganda talaga siya kasi marami ng ways to unlock, lalo na sa akin na makakalimutin pagdating sa susi. So pag pumasok ka, hindi ka na mangangalagpag. Kung nasan yung susi mo, you just have to use your fingerprint. And then, mag-open na siya. And then, hindi lang yung fingerprint nyo. You can use your Face ID. Parang yung sa cellphone nyo. Tatapat ka lang sa kanya. And then, automatically, detect niya na yung face mo. So, pwede mo na siyang i-open. And then, pwedeng code. And then, of course, may key din siya. It's so easy to use. You just have to register your household para magkaroon sila ng access either via fingerprint, via Face ID, or you can give them a code. So, maraming ways to access the door. And yun, ganun lang siya kadali. So, if you order this from Moment Innovations, don't worry kasi they have people who will install it for you. And of course, they'll explain kung ano yung mga features niya as well as how to access it via your phone. So, sobrang daming features nito guys. Pero si Moment na yung magpapaliwanag sa inyo. So, that's it. Fingerprint lang and then you can go inside na. So, that's it for part 1 of our house tour. So, wait for my next video para naman matour ko kayo dun sa loob ng bahay. Thank you for watching!